The Little Book of Investing Like the Pros is a must-read for anyone looking to navigate the stock market successfully. This book is the brainchild of Joshua Pearl and Joshua Rosenbaum, two seasoned finance experts. The book simplifies complex investment strategies, making them accessible to investors of all levels. The authors emphasize a value-oriented approach, focusing on identifying undervalued companies with strong growth potential. They believe in thorough research and understanding the true worth of a business. The book's clear and concise language makes it easy to grasp even for those new to investing. The authors use real-world examples and case studies to illustrate their points and provide practical advice that readers can implement immediately. The book has received critical acclaim for its insightful approach and actionable advice. At its core, the book presents a compelling premise. Successful investing isn't about luck or timing the market. Instead, it's about understanding the fundamentals of a business and identifying undervalued opportunities. The authors argue that by focusing on a company's intrinsic value, investors can make informed decisions that lead to consistent returns. This includes analyzing a company's financial statements, understanding its industry dynamics, and assessing its management team. One of the key messages of the book is the importance of patience and discipline in investing. The authors stress that building wealth in the stock market takes time, and that investors should be prepared to hold on to their investments for the long haul. The book's winning formula lies in its combination of sound investment principles, practical advice, and a focus on long-term value creation. The book outlines several key themes and ideas that serve as pillars for successful investing. One of the central themes is the concept of value investing, which involves identifying undervalued companies with strong fundamentals. The authors provide a clear and concise explanation of how to read and interpret balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. They emphasize the importance of analyzing key financial ratios to assess a company's profitability, liquidity, and solvency. Risk management is another crucial aspect of investing that the authors address in detail. The book emphasizes the importance of diversification, both in terms of asset allocation and stock selection, to reduce overall portfolio volatility. The authors also delve into the behavioral aspects of investing, recognizing that emotions can often cloud judgment and lead to poor investment decisions. The authors don't just present theoretical concepts, it brings these concepts to life through real-world examples and case studies. The authors illustrate their points using historical data and stories of successful investors who have applied these principles to achieve remarkable results. For instance, they might discuss how Warren Buffett's investment philosophy aligns with the principles they outline. One compelling case study might involve a hypothetical investor who purchased shares of a company undervalued by the market. The authors could then track the company's performance over time, demonstrating how the investor would have benefited from their patience and adherence to the principles outlined in the book. To connect these concepts to real-world investing scenarios, the authors might provide examples of how to identify undervalued companies in today's market. The book's emphasis on real-world applications makes it highly relevant and actionable for readers. The book is more than just an investment guide, it's a powerful advocate for financial literacy. The authors believe that everyone should have access to the knowledge and tools needed to make informed financial decisions. By demystifying complex financial concepts and presenting them in an accessible manner, the book empowers readers to take control of their financial futures. It provides individuals with the knowledge and skills they need to make informed decisions about their savings, investments, and overall financial well-being. This newfound financial literacy can lead to better financial outcomes, reduced financial stress, and greater financial security. As more individuals become educated about investing and personal finance, they are better equipped to participate in the economy and make sound financial decisions. The author's commitment to financial literacy is evident throughout the book. By empowering individuals with financial knowledge, the book has the potential to make a lasting impact on both personal and societal financial well-being. The book is an invaluable resource for investors of all levels. The book's strength lies in its ability to simplify complex investment concepts and present them in a clear, concise, and engaging manner. By focusing on value investing principles, financial statement analysis, risk management, and behavioral finance, the authors provide readers with a comprehensive framework for making informed investment decisions. The book's emphasis on real-world applications, through case studies and practical examples, bridges the gap between theory and practice. making it highly actionable for readers. Furthermore, its commitment to financial literacy empowers individuals to take control of their financial destinies and contributes to a more financially savvy society. The Little Book of Investing Like the Pros is more than just a guide to picking stocks. It's a roadmap to achieving long-term financial success through informed and disciplined investing. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.